Hi friends, ready to learn your ABCs with Fruity Fun? Let's go from A to Z with tasty healthy fruits. A for apple. B for banana. C for cherry. D for date. E for elderberry. F for fig. G for grapes. H for honeydew. I for imbe. J for jackfruit. K for kiwi. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nectarine. O for orange. P for papaya. Q for quince. R for raspberry. S for strawberry. T for tangerine. U for ugly fruit. V for velvet apple. W for watermelon. X for zinnia. Y for yuzu. Z for zucchini. Wow, we learned fruits from A to Z. Which one's your favorite? Apple, mango or watermelon? Don't forget to eat fruits every day. They are yummy and keep sickness away. Like, share and subscribe for more fruity fun. Bye bye, dear friends.